Is your Android phone dead and unresponsive because that crucial power button decided to quit on you? Fear not, even without a working power button, your Android might still have a lifeline. First, let's try the simplest trick: connect your phone to a charger, using the original cable and adapter if possible. For many Android devices, simply plugging it in will trigger a boot-up sequence, especially if the battery has a bit of charge. Leave it plugged in for a few minutes to ensure it gets enough power to start. If charging alone doesn't do the trick, a common alternative involves a button combination with the phone still plugged into power. Try pressing and holding both the volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously for about 15 to 20 seconds. This can sometimes force a reboot or bring up the boot menu, allowing you to select the option to power on. Another method involves connecting your phone to a computer via USB cable. Once connected, the computer's power surge or the USB connection itself can sometimes initiate the boot process again. Leave it connected for a good while, and you might see your screen flicker to life. For those with a USB OTG on-the-go adapter, a more advanced trick awaits. Connect the OTG adapter to your phone, then plug a standard USB keyboard into the adapter. Once connected, simply press the Enter key on the keyboard. On many Android devices, the Enter key can act as a substitute for pressing the power button to turn on the screen or initiate a boot. If you're comfortable with slightly more technical steps, and if your phone is already rooted or you're willing to explore specific software solutions, there are apps available on the Google Play Store designed to enable booting from USB or trigger a power in sequence. These often require specific permissions, so do your research on which apps are compatible with your device model. With these methods, you might just be able to give your Android a second chance, even with a broken power button. Happy troubleshooting!